What is up, TT Gang? So I'm back with another banger. So today I'm back with another pickle video. But now I was in my room last time, but now I'm in a den. Y'all see it in the background. I'm about to play the game. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so I got my pickle.
You dripping all this stuff. You ugly.
You ugly.
WB, come over here, WB.
What you doing?
Yeah, come join it.
I got some pickle stuff. Pickle sauce.
You know, break out.
I make it. I made it. I make this pickle sauce.
What a stranger thing it is.
It's the black ones. Not cold.
Yeah, I'm sure. Next time, look.
Oh, these do got strings in.
We'll let them have strings then.
Huh?
Let them have strings. It ain't what you got there?
What?
Paper towel.
The fork was on top of there. But yeah, these are super crunchy. Dang, I can hear. They say it tastes like it's a sea salt because it's nasty. After you like chew it up and stuff, but it's good.
Just weak. Don't all that for nothing, Slack. This green though. He falling. This one big green.
This is my brother, y'all, playing the game.
Hey man, they joke and let me my man spell, son.
Yeah, my sisters. Listen.
You gotta snack like that.
Who?
You.
That's not me. That's Fat Dude.
Hey, good.
Y'all did they say what Goose said?
They made me trouble. I don't know why.
Crunchies pickles. Last night y'all watched the video. Put some last night. That video, that's with the now letter mixed together. Well, peace.